So good afternoon to all. Hope you are doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about Adani Power share. So today we'll discuss all the insider deals that happened in Adani Power. Basically, we'll discuss about pledging which has been released recently on March 5th. So we'll see how much amount it has been reduced. So basically, if we discuss about any Adani stock, so we know that little pledging is the major concern. But in the previous quarters, in many of the Adani shares, we have seen considerable decrease in the pledging, which is a positive note. And also we'll discuss the technicals. We know that little correction was seen in Adani Power, so will it retrace again, and what can be the next target? So everything we'll discuss, so make sure you watch the video till end. And if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified. Okay, so basically if you have any doubts regarding any share, or if you want any separate analysis of any video, so make sure you message me in Instagram, so where I'll take on demand basis and I'll make video. So today almost 2 stocks already have completed uploading the videos as well. So further, if you have any doubts, you can message me in Instagram, and also you can follow in Telegram, so that you'll not miss any instant updates. Okay, so starting with Adani Power. So recently we know that almost 2 days back also we have discussed about Adani Power. So mainly I told that the company, we know that it is trying to acquire SR Power MP, and about this particular company as well completely I have discussed. So if you have not watched those videos, definitely watch it, so that you will have an idea about what are the major things that are going to happen with Adani Power. So now coming to the main topic of insider deals, and that is pledging. So if you see Adani Trade Line LLP, so if you see, it has bought almost, you can see 31 lakh shares on March 5th 2021, and you can see transaction type is pledge released. Okay, so roughly if you see Adani Trade Line, basically it has almost roughly we can say 10% stake in Adani Power. And if you see the total holding, you can see almost 37 crore roughly shares are being held by Adani Trade Line. So pledge has been released. So if we compare the pledge on quarter basis, we know that little consistent, the pledging was little consistent, so 29, 31, so in that range it used to fluctuate. So now let's see how the pledging is present in Adani Power. Okay, so if you see the pledging history of Adani Power, so if we compare all the quarters starting from December 2018, so that time it was roughly around 29.3. So later little increase was there, 30.2. After that we have seen little flat pledging was present. After that 32, again 31, again now 29. So this is not updated. So again it will get updated, and considerable decrease in pledging was also seen. Okay, so pledging, basically we know it is little negative when any company is making high pledging of shares, but when it is retracing, that is when it is when the pledge is being released, so that time again it is a positive note for the company. So especially for Adani, pledging is not a matter, so that's why they are considerably reducing it. So on March 5th this particular transaction has happened in the market itself. So this was not known to us, so many people have not known regarding this particular transaction type. So many people have added at 70 rupees level, 75. So we have discussed the levels as well. So little retracement was seen. So what will be the next target? So everything will discuss. Okay, so in previous videos we have not done the analysis on financials, so basically the results which were recently released, so we have not looked into it. So once we'll discuss about the December 2020 quarter results as well. So if you see operating profit, you can see year on year little increment was present. So that time on 2019 we have seen roughly we can take 1400 crore operating profit was present. Now 1600 crores. But you can see quarter on quarter basis, you can see a drastic fall was seen. So that time you can see September 20, more than 4000 crore okay profit has been reported. After that you can see only 1623 has been reported. So huge drop is present as compared to quarter on quarter basis. And after that, if you see operating profit margin, so that has also fluctuated heavily between quarter on quarter basis, and you can see it is near 24%. Okay, so last quarter, that was in September 2020, huge spike was there. I think I discussed that time. So results were very huge. So drastic profits, revenue, everything was spiking. But later again, it has considerably reduced due to various reasons. We know not only power sector, major contracts are now even under Tata Power. So about Tata Power also we have discussed. So don't focus only on one stock. So diversify your portfolio, especially power segment. So we are discussing on series wise. Today also we have discussed one electric vehicle stock. So like that, you need to accumulate in small portions in all the stocks so that you will be benefited. Even one stock rises, you will be ultimately getting good amount of profit. So apart from that, everything is decent. Only on quarter basis we are seeing some decrement, but whereas year on year wise, if we compare, there considerable increase is present. Okay, so coming to volume analysis, so you can see on 12th March also we have seen considerable increase in traded quantity. So even on Friday as well, the stock has tried to go up, but later we know that market also from positive side suddenly it has shifted to negative side because of global newses and various reasons, US bond deals. So market was in little downtrend. So volatility was present. So ultimately the stock has also retraced. So it is trying to go up. So the buying pressure, what we are seeing, so that is still present. So retracements and everything is common. So if you have entered at high levels, so what should be the strategy, that also we'll discuss. And if you are holding at low levels as well, so what should be done also we will try to analyze. So first focus on deliverable quantities. So if you see deliverable quantities, you can see 12th March, you can see some increase was present, and weekly average if you compare, so that time also increase was present. So we are seeing some increase in deliverable quantities, which is a positive note. So forget about traded quantity. So traded quantity obviously will be high because stock is volatile. So when high fluctuations are present, traded quantity increases. As usual, traded quantity volume that is present, that also increases. Okay, so next comes the most important thing, indicators wise. So indicators wise, if you go and see, you can see RSI and money flow index. So money flow index, it has entered the overbought region. So 81 is little overbought region. So whenever any stock goes to overbought region, so little pullback happens, again it retraces. So that is the basic phenomena. So RSI also near 71.3. So that is also in little overbought region. So MACD and all is still in bullish crossover. So indicators are just a secondary confirmation. So that is not the primary, so just a secondary. So mainly we focus on technicals, and other factors also may be present, but technicals are things which are only secondary. Especially indicators are more not necessary, but just it's a confirmation that we are entering at the right moment. Okay, so returns wise, if you see 1 week only, it has given 1.61% return. So it has gone up, it was flat, it was little down. So everything has been balanced. So net 1.61 profit has been left. So 1 month 31.97, 3 months 69, 1 year 149, 6 months 100% returns, 3 years 186% returns. So in long time frames, 10 years, that much returns have been not reported. So power sector, keep in radar. Tata Power, we know recently Tesla has also approached regarding recharge station. So that also have made a separate video. So even Adani Power has also very good chances because government is under BJP. So chances are there that Adani Power will also get the contracts in various states. So Tata Power cannot manage the entire charging stations, right? So there may be partnership even with Adani Power as well. So we can't expect anything. So better holding from the low levels only. Try to average whenever you get the opportunity. So now let's go to technical charts and see what can be the next supports and resistances. Okay, so we're back onto the technical charts. So this is the 1-day chart of Adani Power. So currently you can see it is trading near 75.55 and almost it has not hit the lower circuit. That is one good thing because some buying pressure is there. So nobody is willing to sell, but they're trying to average. So if you see the levels, so clearly you can see one major level that I told in my last week video also, from where I told if it breaks that some bullishness will be coming. So that same level would now be the support, which is 74 rupees level, so which you can take as a very good support. After that comes the 70 rupees. So first is 74, after that is 70, from where we may see some retracement again. So if you want to average also, try to average, but don't buy in heavy quantities as well. So we can't predict anything may happen in stock market, but on safe side, that way I told, if you're investing at high levels also, invest in small portions. Again, if it corrects, you can average. So that would be the the best strategy. So if you enter at high levels with high quantity, again you will enter into loss. So these things you need to remember. So take 70 and 74 as the near term supports. So if it retraces from there, well and good. So after that, immediate again targets would be 80 plus. Okay, these are for short term. Long term, we already discussed some good potential will be present, only some financials need to be improved. So apart from that, no problem. So since pledging regarding all, everything is looking little good as well till right now, there is nothing major problems. So since power sector basically stocks are in focus, so keep them in radar and try to watch it. Okay, so this is what we can see in 1 day chart. So as usual, money flow index also you can see little it has started retracing. So earlier it was in heavy overbought region, so now little retracement. If it comes, try near 70 as well as 74. Try to watch these two levels. So you can ask in the comment section at which price you have taken as well. We will discuss separately, and also you can message me in Instagram. So until then, take care. Bye bye.